Good morning. It's me, FlyLady Kat. I've been sick, so you've been watching some replacement videos. I know they've been helping, but I'm back. So here's what we're going to do today. It's Monday, so we're going to get up and do our morning routines. Even if you're sick, you're going to do your routines as well as you possibly can. Then after that, we're going to put our family through their routine and our routines. And then after that, we're going to get on with our life. So if you're a payroll fly baby, you're going to go on to work. If you are not a payroll fly baby, you're going to start your laundry. While your laundry's going, you're going to go through an inch of paper. Every day, you're taking it down by an inch. Every week, you're going to go through what you've put in your inbox, whether it's an action item or to be filed. And slowly but surely, week by week, you're going to get rid of a half a foot of paper by going an inch every day, 6 days a week. All right, next we're going to do our basic weekly plan. So, okay, what's on the agenda for Monday? It is our weekly home blessing hour. So we're going to do it. That's our very next thing on the agenda. So get out your broom and your mop and your vacuum and your dust cloth. Hopefully not a dust cloth. Hopefully you have some kind of a Swiffer, or you have a beautiful a FlyLady dust feather duster, which is awesome. And then your microfiber rags, you want those, or microfiber cloths. And then we're going to get going. Strip the bed, get the sheets in the washing machine. Once those sheets are washing, go ahead and dust the whole house real quick, 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes max. Set your timer. Stop when your timer goes off. Next, we're going to wipe all the spots off the glass in the house. That does not mean you're going to be minuscule cleaning, right? It means if you see spots in the mirror in the bathroom, you're going to just wipe the spots on the mirror in the bathroom. If you see some nose prints by the on the sliding glass door, you're going to wipe them off. If there's some fingerprints or glass circles on the glass coffee table, you're going to wipe those off with a damp microfiber rag and then a dry one. Wax on, wax off, right? Quick. 10 minutes. When your 10 minutes is up, stop. If you have run out of things to wipe down and you have time left, goody for you. Go to the next thing, set your timer for 10 minutes. The next thing after that is we're going to empty all the little garbage cans in the house. So quickly grab up the little garbage liners, take them out to the big garbage, put new liners in. Ding, time's up, stop. You probably will have time left over. The next thing is you're going to, let's see, vacuum. Vacuum the house as quickly as you can. Stay in the middles. If you have half a house that needs to be vacuumed by carpet and the other half needs to be swept, then 5 minutes on the vacuuming, 5 minutes on the sweeping, or dust mopping, or whatever it is you do. When you're done with that, you're going to mop the kitchen, mop the bathrooms. So that's your bed, that's dusting, that's garbage cans, that's wiping off spots, that's vacuuming or dusting the floors, and that's mopping. And in 1 hour, 6 10-minute segments, you're done. You're done. Good for you. Now what are we going to do? We're going to rest for just a minute because you might be glowing. Sit down and rest for just a minute, have a drink of water, and go to the very next thing. Today is Monday. The zone we are in is zone 5, the living room. So go straight to your living room, set your timer for 15 minutes if you're decluttering, and declutter in the spot. In other words, stay where you are. Have 3 containers ready. Put away, throw away, give away. If you need to, like all of us sidetracked folks, you might need some kind of writing on there to remember which is which so you don't mix them up. Throw away goes here, give away goes here, put away goes here. If you find sentimental clutter, put it in a special box for sentimental clutter. And when you're all done with this, you're going to complete the process by putting your garbage in the garbage can outside. Don't leave that in the house. Put that giveaway in the trunk. Don't leave that in the doorway. And then go through that put away and put it away where it goes. The next thing is your sentimental clutter. Get it out. Look and see, is it something you really want to keep? If it is, find a place for it. If you can't find a place for it, either replace something else and give it a place or give it away. All right, if you want to know more about that, I have a special video on it on my Patreon channel, and you can go there, sign up. It's $5 a month, and there's all kind of goodies out there for you. All right, next thing we're going to do is, that's it. Let's go over real quick. We're not done for the day, but I need to go visit the payroll guys and help them with their part. So payroll, Lions, what you're going to do is on your first lunch hour, because you have 4 of those, right? No. On your lunch hour, you're going to think about delegating your weekly home blessing to someone and making a plan for that, or making a plan for yourself to do it a little bit every day. You'll be doing your weekly home blessing. If you break it up all week long, you're going to be doing 10 minutes of that every single day, plus 10 on Saturday to get your 60 minutes. And you're going to be doing 15 minutes of decluttering, and we're in the living room this week until we get to the first where we switch to the entryway. So you're going to be in the living room 15 minutes if you have to declutter. Now, both at home and Payroll Lions, if there's no clutter in there, then just pick one thing a day and do one thing. So if you have your list of things to do, that list that I told you to make that says, you know, starting at the ceiling and going to the floor, if money was no object and I had a fantastic cleaner, house cleaner, what would I have her or him do? And you have all those items bulleted, and then you pick the thing that needs to be done off of your list and do one of those things. Those things usually take 10 minutes or less. All right, once you get home, Payroll Fly Babies, start your laundry. While your laundry's going, go through your 1 inch of paper. So you too will go through half of a foot of paper, or a foot in 2 weeks if you do it Monday through Saturday. Now, everybody, we're going to start dinner. So while dinner is cooking, Payroll Lions, you're going to run over to your living room and take care of that for 10 minutes. And if you delegate one of the items from the weekly home blessing, that'll be awesome, or go hit that too. Once you're done with that, serve supper. Everybody, let's have dinner. And then after that, the whole family helps clean up. When we're done, you can rest and relax. Before bed routines are going to start soon. If you're extremely exhausted, do yours first. Then before bed routines for the kids. Either way works. Then when you're done, you can rest in your PJs without your makeup on, ready for bed, in the living room with your husband in front of the TV if you need to. And then when you go to bed, the only thing you're going to have to do is turn on the dishwasher. If you've already washed dishes by hand, you won't even have to do that. They'll just be waiting for you in the morning in the dish rack. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to check your calendar tonight, or your control journal, to see what's on the agenda for tomorrow, and lay out the proper clothes for yourself and your family. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.